Before buying a truck bed mat liner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers complain about fitting issues and durability, even on well-reviewed options. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: Triple Aligners Custom Fit Mat. First up is the Triple Aligners Truck Mat, designed specifically for the 2019-2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8 FT bed, priced at $128.95. What caught my attention is its perfect fitment thanks to 3D laser scan technology, ensuring it follows every contour of your truck bed. This mat is made from Triple Aligners' patent-pending 40 grip material, which boasts a 25% increase in wear resistance. This means it's not just about looking good. It's designed to prevent your tools and cargo from sliding around while also protecting your bed from water and dirt. With over 3,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that a lot of buyers appreciate its performance. Now, some users did mention that the mat arrives folded, which can lead to some wrinkles. Here's the thing though, a little time in the sun or a rinse with hot water can fix that issue, so it's not a deal breaker if you ask me. This is perfect for you if you own a Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 and want a reliable, high-quality mat. Skip this one if you need a mat for a different truck model or if you want something that's ready to go right out of the box. For the price, it delivers good value for a custom fit. Now, if the folding issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a design that's all about easy installation. Product number 2: LASFIT 5.7 FT Bed Mat. Next up, we have the LASFIT 5.7 FT Truck Bed Mat, which fits Ram 1500 trucks from 2019 to 2026. Priced at $129, it's another bestseller with a 4.7-star rating from over 2,200 reviews. The custom fit is what really stands out here, as it uses advanced 3D scanning to ensure full coverage. The elastic TPE material is not only durable but also environmentally friendly, allowing it to withstand various weather conditions without losing shape. It's designed to shield your truck bed from the elements, and buyers love how it keeps things in place during transport. However, some folks mentioned that it may not fit models with the Ram box storage option. Here's the thing, if you have a standard bed, this mat offers excellent protection and durability for your needs, so the fit issue isn't a concern for everyone. This is perfect for you if you own a Ram 1500 and need a reliable, durable mat that can handle the elements. Skip this if you have a Ram model with Ram box since it won't fit. Overall, it offers good value for a custom fit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for affordability. Product number 3: LASFIT Chevy Sierra Mat. Coming in third is another LASFIT truck bed mat, specifically for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models from 2019 to 2026, priced at $109.59. What caught my attention here is that it's actually a bit more affordable than the previous option, while maintaining a 4.7-star rating from 2,200 reviews. The elastic TPE material provides a soft touch while being extremely durable against scratches and dents. Plus, its raised edges help keep dirt and water out. This is crucial for anyone looking to maintain their truck's resale value. Now, the downside is that it doesn't fit models with the Carbon Pro bed, which some buyers found out the hard way. But if you have the right model, this mat provides great protection without breaking the bank, so it's worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality mat for your Chevy or GMC without spending a fortune. Skip this if your truck has the Carbon Pro bed, as it won't be compatible. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something built for extreme conditions and durability, the next product is just for you. Product number 4: Triple Aligners Ford F-150 Mat. Next, let's talk about the Triple Aligners truck mat for the 2024-2026 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 FT bed, priced at $118.35. What impressed me right away was the custom fit that's achieved through 3D laser scanning technology, ensuring a snug fit without any gaps. It also has reinforced edges to block water and dirt, which is essential for protecting your truck bed over time. Plus, the anti-slip surface is a game saver for anyone who hauls items regularly. The downside some users mentioned is that it also comes folded, leading to wrinkles initially. But again, this can be resolved with a bit of sun exposure or hot water, so it's not a major drawback in my opinion. This is perfect for you if you own a new Ford F-150 and prioritize protection for your truck's bed. Skip it if you need a mat for a different model. For the quality, it offers solid value at this price point. Now, if you're looking for something that's tough and built to last, the last product on our list is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, Rough Country Heavy Duty Mat. Finally, we have the Rough Country Truck Bed Mat, designed for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks from 2019 to 2026 and priced at $99.95. This one really caught my eye because it's built from tear-resistant rubber, making it incredibly tough. With a 4.8-star rating from 555 reviews, this mat is all about protection. The extra-thick 3/8 rubber shields your truck bed from scratches and dents, which is perfect for those who frequently haul equipment or tools. Additionally, its non-slip surface keeps everything secure during transport. However, a few users noted that it might not fit perfectly if there are aftermarket modifications to the truck. Here's the thing though, if your truck is mostly stock, this mat will provide great protection at a lower price point, making it a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable mat that can withstand heavy use without spending too much. Skip this if you've made significant modifications to your truck that might affect fit. For the price, it's an excellent value considering its toughness. To wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic options. The triple aligners for precise fit, the LASFIT mats for affordability and protection, and the Rough Country for heavy-duty durability. Each has its strengths, so consider what's most important for your needs. Whether it's custom fit, price, or extreme durability, there's a great choice for everyone.